Welcome back, children. Today we will continue with the same chapter, but I will give you the new topic, that is how can we arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order. Okay. And first, ascending order. How can we arrange the fractions in ascending order, children? How can we arrange? And first we need to change. When you are getting unlike fractions, first you need to change it into like fraction. After that only you can arrange the fractions. Whenever you are getting the unlike fraction, you need to change it into like. After that you need to arrange in ascending order. Okay. And how can we arrange in ascending order? We need to arrange from smaller to bigger. Okay. And for descending order, how can we do that? When you are getting unlike fraction, you need to change it into like fraction. After that you need to arrange the fractions from bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller is descending order. How can we arrange in descending order? We need to arrange the fractions in fractions from bigger to smaller. That is descending order, right? Okay. And see the fractions. I will give you some questions. First one is 9 by 10, 9 by 15, 9 by 21, 9 by 16, 9 by 19. See the fractions, all the numerators are same, but denominators are different. That means it is unlike fraction with the same numerator. It is unlike fraction only. You know what's the reason? All the denominators are different. That's why it is unlike fraction. But something is there, all the numerators are same. For this type of fractions, how can we compare? The fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. And the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greatest fraction. Is it clear? The opposite of that. Look at the denominators, and denominator with the greater value is the smallest fraction, and the denominator with the smaller value is the greatest fraction. Is it clear? I will tell you. Here we need to arrange the fractions in ascending order, right? How can we arrange in ascending order? I will tell you. Ascending order is how can we arrange into ascending order? And see all the denominators. The denominator with the greater value is the smaller fraction. So we need to consider the greater value, that is the smallest one, right? Which one is having the greater value? 9 by 21. First we need to write 9 by 21. After that the next is what? Next is after 21 the greater is 19, and 9 by 19. And the next smallest is what? 16, right? 9 by 16. And the next one is 9 by 15. And the last one is 9 by 10. See this. First one is the denominator with the greater value is the smaller fraction. So I need to write that one first. And after that 9 by 19, 9 by 16, 9 by 15, 9 by 10. Okay. Is it clear? And the next one. Next one. See this. Which type of fraction is this? All the denominators are same. Which type is this? This one is called like fraction. Then that one is easy for you, right? You need to look at only the numerator. The numerator with the smaller value is the smallest fraction, and the numerator with the greater value is the greatest fraction. So for arranging in ascending order is how? And first we need to write 1 by 15, after that 3 by 15, after that 6 by 15, after that 12 by 15, next one is 14 by 15. Okay, see this ascending order is 1 by 15, 3 by 15, 6 by 15, 12 by 15, 14 by 15. That is easy for you, right? Because these fractions are like fractions only. Like fractions are very, very easy. We need to compare the numerators only, right? Okay. And the next one is, it is not like fraction. What we want to do? I told you first, right? And when you are getting unlike fraction, first we need to change it into like fraction. After that only you can arrange in ascending or descending order like that. Here we need to arrange in ascending order. First we need to change it into what? Like fraction. How can we change it into like fraction? For the addition and subtraction I teach you, right, how to do this. And first when you are getting unlike fraction, we need to change it into like fraction. How? We need to take the LCM of the denominator. Is it clear? And you need to take the LCM of the denominators, all the denominators. Here denominators are what? 8, 6, 4. You know how to find the LCM and HCF that you have studied in the last chapter, right? And here 8, prime factorization of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, and 6 is 2 into 3, and 4 equals 2 into 2. For the LCM, first we need to make 3 into one group. Common in 3, we need to make it into one group. After that we need to take common in 2, that is 2. And balance also, right? We need to multiply the balance numbers also. So, LCM is what? LCM equals 2 into 2 into balance 2 into 3. Answer is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 is the LCM for 8, 6 and 4. After that I need to change all the denominators into LCM. How can I change it like that? We need to take the fractions one by one. That is, that I will write it here. Okay, first I need to change 7 by 8, right? Okay, I will show you. 7 by 8 equals 7 by 8. And the LCM is what, children? 24. I need to change this denominator to LCM. 8 into which number equals 24? 8 3s are 24. So, I need to multiply by 3. And the same number I need to multiply in the numerator also. Which number? 7 into 3. And the answer is 21 by 24. Is it clear? And the next fraction is what? 1 by 6. Here also we need to change the denominator into LCM. See, LCM is what? 24. 6 into which number equals 24? 6 4s are 24. So, here also we need to multiply by 4. You will get what? 4 by 24. And the next fraction is 3 by 4. How can we do that? 3 by 4. Okay. And 4 into which number equals 24? 4 into 6 equals 24. So, 3 into 6. So, 18 by 24. See, now all the fractions are like only, right? Now, we can compare easily, right? How can we compare this? 21 by 24, 4 by 24, 18 by 24, all the fractions are like only. How can we compare? And we need to arrange in ascending order only, right? Ascending order is from smaller to bigger. Which one I need to write it first? First one is 4 by 24. Okay, and 4 by 24 is which fraction only? 1 by 6. So, I need to write 1 by 6 first. 1 by 6. After that, see, the next smaller one is 18 by 24. 18 by 24 is 3 by 4, right? So, 3 by 4. The last one is 21 by 24. 21 by 24 is 7 by 8. Okay. And so, ascending order is first we need to write 1 by 6, after that 3 by 4, after that 7 by 8. Is it clear? Okay. The next is 3 by 12, 7 by 8, 2 by 4. These fractions are also unlike only, right? So, first we need to change it into like. How? We need to take the LCM of all the denominators. After that we need to change all the denominators to their LCM. Then you will get like fractions. After that you can arrange easily. Okay. First I need to take write it here, and 12, prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, okay, and 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2, and 4 equals 2 into 2. We need to make common in 3, one group, and here also one more 2 is common in 2, common in 3. And did you see any number common in 2? No. So, we need to multiply the balance numbers also. Here LCM is what? LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. That is also 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. The same like, okay, I will give you, and the LCM is 24. After that we need to change what? We need to change all the denominators into 24. Okay, how can we change it like that? First I need to take 3 by 12, 3 by 12. 12 into which number equals 24? 12 into 2 equals 24. So, we need to multiply 3 also by 2. That answer is 6 by 24. And the next one is 7 by 8, 7 by 8. And 8 into which number equals 24? 8 3s are 24, 7 3s are 21. That is 21 by 24. Okay. And the next one is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equals 4 into which number? 4 6 are 24, and 2 into 6. That is 12 by 24. See all the fractions. Now it is in like fraction only, right? And all the fractions are like. After that we can, how can we compare? Which one is smaller here? 6 by 24 is the smaller one. So, for ascending order is, okay, and which one we need to write it first? Look at the fraction 6 by 24, and 6 by 24 is for what? 3 by 12, 3 by 12, and the next one is 2 by 4, and next one is 7 by 8. Okay. Is it clear? And I will give you one homework, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. You need to arrange in ascending order. Okay. And the next one also 7 by 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 5 by 6, 6 by 10. That is also your homework. Okay. That also you can do. And the next one is rearrange in descending order. How? Descending order is from bigger to smaller. And first we need to see the fractions. All the numerators are same. I told you, right? I have told you in the last problem what we want to do it here. Yeah. And 10 by 14 and 10 by 20, 10 by 15, 10 by 35. Here all the numerators are same. What we want to do? We need to compare only denominators. The denominator with the greater value is the smaller fraction. The denominator with the greater smaller value is the greatest fraction also. Okay. So, how can we arrange in descending order? Descending order means from bigger to smaller. Descending order is, okay, and which one we need to write it first? Denominator with the smaller value is the greatest fraction. So, we need to write 10 by 14 first, after that 10 by 15, after that 10 by 20, after that 10 by 35, because greater value is the smallest fraction only. So, we need to arrange it like this. And the next one, 11 by 19, 9 by 19 and 10 by 19, 8 by 19, that is like fraction. Very, very easy for you. You tell me how can we, you need to look at the numerator and tell me descending order is, and which one we need to write it first? The bigger value, the numerator with the greater value is 11 by 19, after that 10 by 19, after that 9 by 19, after that 8 by 19. Okay, and the next one, that is like unlike fraction only. We need to change it into like, the same like ascending order. First we need to change the find the LCM. Prime factorization of 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2 and 12 equals 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and 6 equals 2 into 3 and common in 3, that is 2, and after that we need to take common in 2, that is 2, and any other, see this 3 also common in 2. After that LCM equals what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, and answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, LCM is 24. After that we need to change each and every fraction into LCM only, right? And 1 by 8 equals 8 into 3 and 1 into 3. Okay, that answer is 3 by 24. And the next one is 3 by 12. How can we? 12 into 2 and 3 into 2, that is 6 by 24. Okay, and the next is 2 by 6, 6 into 4 and 2 into 4, that is 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24. See this 3 by 24 and the next one is 6 by 24 and the next one is 8 by 24. And which one? Here we need to arrange in descending order, right? I will write descending order is what? Tell me the bigger one first. And now all this thing all these fractions are like fractions only, then you can compare easily, right? You tell me which one is bigger here. 8 by 24, that is 2 by 6. After 2 by 6, next one is 6 by 24, that is 3 by 12, and the next one is 1 by 8. Okay, and is it clear, children? And the next one I will give you one homework, that is 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 11 by 12, that is your homework. Okay, okay children, thank you.